एक्सेप्ट कर पहले यहाँ रिकॉर्डिंग का बटन दबा दे रहा हूँ। ठीक है चलो आगे क्या
नहीं यार नहीं बता
हाँ मैं यहाँ से म्यूट कर देता हूँ मसला नहीं। हाँ स्क्रीन स्क्रीन नहीं शो कर रही आपकी।
मैं शेयर कर
हाँ बटन दबा दो शेयर का। अब पहले शेयर बटन दबा दो फिर।
आईडी है ना वो म्यूट कर
हाँ हाँ वो भी म्यूट करो। हाँ करेक्ट आ गया चलो गुड स्टार्ट कर लो।
नसीम नसीम भी ज्वाइन करें
हाँ नहीं नसीम मुन्ना से को ज्वाइन करने दो उनको बस वो सिस्टम को प्रॉब्लम चल रहा था लेट हर ज्वाइन नो इशू।
So here sorry my voice is low. Yeah, here you can see that I am using the same EC2 instance, some same instance which I have created yesterday. So the Linux machine, what we will do it. Why I am choosing this because it has very small space of drives, and for copying it will copy very quickly. So that's the reason I am using this. So what I will do, so I will go and I will create a snapshot for this instance. So create a snapshot. So I am selecting as an instance here right now. So you people also
Excuse me, sir. We'll start with instance, so we can go with you. Like we already terminated before one, so it will take time to again create instance, launch instance, and then follow you. So can we start from launch instance?
not an issue. Like when we are going, don't do it parallelly. When I am explaining, don't do it parallelly. I will give you the time after completion of my class. I will give you some time. So do in that time. Why? Because doing you are doing the lab and listening the class, it will be get little bit confused. So just listen each and every step carefully, and after that you start doing it. So if you are stuck anywhere, you can share the screen, or you can ask me what would be the next step.
Okay.
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 Okay. So go to the instance. Here I am selecting as my Linux demo. Okay. Nothing I am giving it. Just I am giving a description as snap shot hyphen my Linux dev. Okay. Say create a snapshot. The snapshot will be get created. My snapshot is getting created. still it is showing as pending. Can anyone monitor or observe any differences? Does anyone monitor or observe any difference in this screenshot? Sorry, in this screen? Shall I tell? Yes or no? And I am waiting for the response. Just go to the screen and let me know, do you have observed any differences in the screen? Yes or no? Zero MB snapshot? No, that's not right. Yes. What is the difference, Firasat, you observed? Yes. Sirasa, we have observed some difference. Let me tell you the difference here is, just see the description. Yesterday, when I am taking the snapshot of the Linux box, I mentioned the description as snapshot-linux-demo. Right? This is a description which I mentioned. So here, the snapshot has created width of 8 GB, and this is my description. And at the same time, yesterday when we are creating the snapshot, we also observed that the 15 GB of another snapshot is has been created. So if you see this instance, so this instance contains two volumes. So yesterday when we are creating a snapshot for this EC2 instance, so two volumes has been created, right? So the two volumes are, one is of 8 GB and another is of 15 GB. But both the description name is same. Like it was a snapshot Linux demo. Here also there was a snapshot Linux demo. Let me select this snapshot. If you go for the details, the description name, it has been updated now. Snapshot my Linux demo. So today I have given some different names. So that's here you can see the OS drive, the root drive has created again, and the snapshot my Linux demo, the 15 GB, the additional drive is not yet created. Why? Because there are no modifications has been done. So whenever you create a snapshot, every time the root drive will be created. But the additional drive or an additional volume which has been attached to your instance will update. It will update. It will not create a new file. So it will update your data. If any data has been modified in this drive, then a new updates will be updated. That's it. So not the entire and the description name will be get changed. Okay. So in this this is the difference you can see. You can see 15 GB only one volume, and 8 GB you have a two volumes. So one snapshot I have taken yesterday. This is July 29, and one snapshot I have taken today. That is on Wednesday, July 30. So if you can see this snapshot is updated with latest date. This is called as July 30, today's date. So this is the difference what I want to show you. Like the updates will be happen for the volume, means for the additional volume. For the C drive or the root partition, a new snapshot will be get created. Here. So I am now moving this EC2 instance a snapshot to other region. Select the snapshot, today's snapshot which I have created. I will go here to action and say copy a snapshot. Okay. So once I click on copy snapshot, so the description name will be reflecting the destination region. So I need to select the destination region. What is my current region? My current region is North Virginia, that is US East. So here I will be selecting US US West 2. So this is the region in which to create the snapshot copy. So I am selecting a destination region. So this is the description I have given. Okay, I am copying my snapshot from one region to another region. Simply say copy a snapshot. So now your snapshot is started copying. If you want to verify, just right click on it and say duplicate window and go to here, and here you select a US West 2. See here, your snapshot is getting copied. It's pending, like it will take some time to get your entire data copied. So once the entire data is got copied, then we will create an AMI image with the same data, then we will launch an EC2 instance. So here, if you can go to this EC2 instance, click on this public icon. That's your website. Let's wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. Once it is get created or once it is get copied, then we will create a AMI image. Let's wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. Once it is get created or once it is get copied, then we will create a AMI image. Still it is showing as pending. Let us see how much percentage it has come. Yeah, 99% is got completed. Let's wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. It will be get completed. Still it is showing as pending. Let us see how much percentage it has come. Yeah, 99% is got completed. Let's wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, Wahid. Hello. Hello, Wahid. Waalaikumsalam, Mona. Wahid. Hmm? AMI is nothing but Amazon. You can see here. What you want to know? What is exactly an AMI, right? Yeah. Let us. I will show you a simple scenario here. Let us see. Here you can go for AMI. What is an AMI? Amazon Machine Image. AMI stands for nothing but Amazon Machine Image. So when we are trying to create an EC2 instance, okay? When we are trying to create a new instance, what we are doing is we are mentioning the server name, and here we are selecting an operating system. Okay, as I said, so from here you can browse. From here you can browse already inbuilt operating system, like inbuilt software defined. Like if I go for browse for more AMIs, so it shows me the marketplace AMIs. Yeah, it's clear now. Yeah. So what exactly an AMI is? A template that contains the software configuration, operating system, application servers, and applications. So AMI is required to launch your instance. So AMI is nothing but it's a template. It's a template. What do you mean by template? Template means it's a copy. It's a what you can say? It's a Xerox copy of one of the image which is used to configure your same instance or same configuration. Like if I say I want a server with 20 GB of RAM memory, okay, 28 GB of RAM memory and 8 core of processor, and I need to run this application. I mentioned 10 applications, and 10 applications are successfully running on my EC2 instance. So customer says that I want the same instance with the same configuration and with the same application in multiple regions. So when I say I want the same server that needs to be installed in US East, that one needs to be installed in Asia Pacific, and one needs to be installed in Europe. Like I want multiple servers in multiple regions. What you will do? You will go there and you will create a new instance and you will install all the applications over there? No. Just what you will do? You will take the currently running server or instance, and you will create an image for that instance, and you will copy in all the different locations. And from there, from that image, you will build the same instance which is lying in US eastward. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Right. So, before giving you the clarity, I want you to remember the yesterday's class. What we did on yesterday class. So we created a snapshot. Okay. So after creation of snapshot, we have deleted the volume. We have removed the volume. Just a minute. Come on. So what we did is we have removed the volume from EC2 instead, and we have terminated the volume, means we have entirely deleted the volume. Okay, then we have restored a new volume, right, from the snapshot, right, and we have attached the same volume to the server, and we got the data, right. This is what we did yesterday, right. It's nothing but we have recovered the data. Here we are creating an image by using a snapshot. So what is an image? Image is a copy. It means it's a replica. As you said, it's a replica is of your entire configuration. Entire configuration. What do you mean by configuration? Here, when you are going to launch an EC2 instance, you are selecting an operating system, right? Your OS based an operating system with your configuration. Means these operating system contains in multiple applications. So here, yesterday what we did is we restored the data. Okay. Today what we are doing is we are restoring the application. Got it? Yeah, not for the not exactly for application. So if you want to run an application data, okay, application data. So from the snapshot, if the data is on volume, then okay. So application means what? Your OS also comes as an application, right? So your operating system are the applications which are associated with your operating system. So everything comes as an image. So if you want to replicate or if you want to restore your application in different region, then you are creating as a image. We can use a snapshot. Snapshot. So see. Don't get confused. Snapshot is a copy. Okay. Snapshot is a copy of your current stage. Okay. So from the current stage, you are creating a Xerox copy. That is called as your template. So you are not going to use a snapshot. You are using a template for the creation of image or creation of your instance. Here, by using a snapshot, you cannot build a new instance with the same configuration, but with the help of image, you can do it. How the image will be defined? By using a snapshot, you can create the image, but by using a snapshot, you cannot create the instance. Yeah. Snapshot has a limitation. By using a snapshot, you can create the volume. That's what we did yesterday. But you cannot create the instance. AMI, right? Got it? Okay. Thanks, Mohammed. So I think everyone is clear, right? Is still anyone has? No. You are asking very valid questions, and I think these are very much helpful for others also. So that's the reason why I want others also to pay attention on the questions when anyone asks, like you will ask and Firasat asks and other people also ask on the questions. So the questioning is very much required. So if you ask the questions, I feel that you are getting understand, and I request all of the participants to ask as many as questions. The reason here is, if you ask some questions, you will try to learn some new things. Okay? Yes, yes, yes. That's correct. That's correct. Yes, yes, yes. That's good. That's correct way. क्या बेटा? यार क्लास चली ना मेरी 2 मिनट. I don't know. 5 minutes. Yeah. So let me see whether my copy has been copied or not. Yes, it has been completed now. So there is some more question. Let me. Yes, Alimuddin sir. बेटा क्लास चल रही, बेटा डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना बोला मैं आपको. क्या बोलो? मैं यहाँ पे आ नहीं सकता. बोलो. बाद में क्लास के बाद देता. हाँ वो क्लास के बाद. हाँ क्लास के बाद. Yes. So here what I am going to do, just I am going to create an image. Okay. Go for snapshot. Select the snapshot which we have copied just now. So go for actions and say create an image from a snapshot. So here I am naming it as a my AMI for Linux Linux demo. Yes, Mohammed. Hello. Yes, Mohammed. We have copied 2 new regions. So here you can see we have a snapshot in North Virginia, and we have copied the snapshot to US West 2, and there only we are creating a new EC2 instance. Okay. So here I will close this not to get confused. Here AMI-Linux demo, and here copy from US East one, right? So here I am keeping everything as a default. So here you can see when we create an image, there is only one drive has been moved. So that is nothing but our root volume, like our operating system. Okay, if my operating system contains an application, that applications also will be having a copy, right? So here say create an image. Successfully request new AMI. So now, as I said, each and every AMI has its unique identification. So this is your unique identification for your AMI. In the images column, you can see an AMI. You can see here you have a new AMI image, and you can find the AMI ID. Go for permissions. Here image share permissions, and it's a private. It's nothing but it is available for the same account, people, like the owner account. Under this account only, this you can see the images. Okay, and next is storage. So how many types of storage? Storage is nothing but here root device type and EPS, and storage. You can see the snapshot name, it's 676D. So a new snapshot has been created here for the root volume, and status is available, and you can see here the platform is Linux operating system platform. Now what we will do is, by using the same image, we will build a server, or we will build another EC2 instance, that in a US West region. Now we are building the server in US West region by using the same copy of the server which is running in US East region. Okay, got it? So go here and go for instance. So you can see you don't have any instance in US West region. I am launching an instance, and application and OS. Here I am not selecting as a default, I am keeping it as my web server copy image. Okay, I am keeping this name for understanding purpose. Here I will click browse more EMIs. When I browsed it previously, I did not find any my AMIs here. So now I can see there is one AMI is defaultly created, AMI-Linux demo. So copy from the description. Here I have mentioned copy from US East 1. So the platform and the architecture. So publish date, that is today, and root device is EPS, volume. So it's giving all your information. So I am selecting this. See here, directly it went for me. Still loading. Just give him a minute. See. Now here only I need to select the instance type. I need not to select about anything about my operating system or application. Why? Because it has been copied. My AMI has been copied from the snapshot. So everything I will create here. I will create the HTTP traffic. Why? Because this is my web server. I am allowing my HTTP traffic here, and I select launch instance. So I need to mention the existing pair or create a new pair. So I am using my existing key image, say launch instance. So my instance has been created. It's taking some time to initialize. Just wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. Itu bila Australia. Selamat. Now instance is ready. Yeah, still it's initializing. Copy the number, copy the So here next what I will do is I want to access this website. So here I am using some different IP address, different public IP. Let us see whether it can be accessed or not. Right, now it's getting accessed. So which server it is accessing now? So here you can see this is a server which is getting access from US East 1. See 18.208.227.175. This is a IP address for the EC2 instance which is running in US East 1. Okay. US East 1, here we have running this server. See the instance, and here I am accessing same server, same site from multiple locations. 18.208.227.175. This is the address which we are accessing, connecting to the web server. I am getting the same web page, and this is another EC2 instance from another region, that is nothing but 34.220.206.153. So I am accessing both the websites from both different regions. So just I have created an image, I have not copied any data, or I have not installed any application, but still I am able to access the images. So same server side, from one is from US East 1 and another is from US West 1. So like this we have copied the image and we have created the EC2 instance with the help of AMI image, right? Now yesterday we have done like we have created one snapshot and we have created a recycle bin, and to see that whether the snapshots are getting stored from more than 1 day or 2 days, let us see that. Go for snapshots, go for recycle bin, so go for resource. We have deleted one snapshot. See, bin entry date is 29 and bin exit date is tomorrow, but tomorrow this snapshot will be get deleted or automatically it should be terminated. Okay, got it? So any doubts or any queries? Just before I am clearing my entire setup, like I want to clear all my resources. So if you have any queries or questions, please let me know. I am going to clear all the snapshots and all. So if you have any queries, so that I can explain you again. लाएंगे ना, आप ना रात को भी सो गए होने वाला हूँ, तब सुबह में जाके लेके आएंगे, ब्याज से लेके आएंगे, नहीं वाला नहीं देते तो नया दिला दूँ मैं, ओके? रोना नहीं, ओके?
आपने फारूक भाई उधर लाइव क्लास को आपने पॉज किया क्या?
इधर अपने इसमें क्या
ऐप में
नहीं किया मैं
नहीं, मेरे लैपटॉप में दूसरे लैपटॉप में आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है लाइव पे।
ये लाइव क्लास मैंने पास किया।
क्यों पास किया आपको लाइव क्लास?
नहीं मैं पास नहीं किया, जिसमें माइक ऑफ किया।
नहीं फिर उधर सारे स्टूडेंट्स वेट कर रहे हैं ना, उन लोगों को बताए थे आप?
नहीं माइक ऑफ किया मैं खाली था।
ऐसा फिर आवाज़ नहीं आ रही ना कुछ भी? उन लोग को क्लास उन लोग की क्लास म्यूट करके रखे क्या अभी?
नहीं, यहाँ पे अभी आपको स्क्रीन दिख रहा ना,
हाँ।
यहाँ पे म्यूट ये जैसे क्लिक किया,
हाँ
ओके, अभी ये माइक ऑन किया तो माइक ऑन हो रही है, राइट?
हाँ, माइक ऑन करे तो माइक ऑन होती है। फिर नहीं, ये गूगल इधर नसीम उन्नीसा को आप कुछ क्लास ले रहे थे क्या अभी?
Is it my voice is audible? Okay, thanks, Nasir. My voice is audible, right? Everyone?
हाँ, अभी आपने अनम्यूट किया ना, अभी वॉइस आ रही होगी। एक मिनट।
हाँ, right. Yeah, thanks. Like Mohammed, today the brief overview of the session. What we did is we have created an AMI image with the help of a snapshot, and we have the snapshot. We have copied the snapshot. We have done the two tasks today. One, we have copied the snapshot from US East 1 to US West 1, from one region to another region. We have copied the snapshot, and with the help of the copied snapshot, we have created an AMI image, and with the help of AMI image, we have built a same EC2 instance which is already running on US East 1, and we have built a same instance with the same application on US West 1. This is what we did it today. Okay. Got it? So, in a 5 minutes, we will be jumping into the Google Meet. So, just you connect to the same Google Meet link which you are used yesterday, which you have used yesterday, and anyone from the team, just start demonstration the session. And before that, I will show you like clearing of entire resources, what we did and what we are clearing it. So first we will go to the US West 1, where we have deployed a new EC2 instance, and there we are selecting this and we are terminating our EC2 instance. Say terminate the EC2 instance. My EC2 instance will get terminated. So we need to process this in a we can process this in a one by one step order. So once we terminated the EC2 instance, we will delete our AMI, then we will delete our copied snapshot. This is what we need to do in a US West 1 region. Select the AMI, go for actions. I will select deregister my AMI. You can see here, you can also copy the AMI as well. So you can also copy the same AMI from one region to another region. So you can also copy AMI, or you can also copy the volume or snapshot. Both the things you can do it. So here I am selecting delete associated snapshot. So what do you mean by that? Like I am deleting the snapshot which has been copied. Like with the help of snapshot, I have created the AMI image, right? So I am deleting this snapshot as well. So you can select this and select deregister my AMI. So it will deregister from my AMI, as well as it will delete my snapshot also. You can see the snapshot is also automatically got deleted. So go to the EC2 instance. You can see you will have an EC2 instance also got terminated. So my job in US West is clear. Now my US West does not have any resources. Now I need to go to my US East 1 region. North Virginia. Yes, Mohammed. Yeah, tell me. Mm-hmm. Yes. Need not to copy the snapshot. Need not to copy the snapshot. Just you can copy the AMI to other region and you start creating another same AMI image, same EC2 instance. Yes. Yeah. Right. So see, for example, what we did is I have showed copying the data from one region to another region. So if you want to copy only AMI, what we can do is in a US East one only, by using the snapshot, we will create an AMI image and we will copy the AMI image instead of copying the snapshot. That also we can do that. Okay. There are two ways, multiple ways you can do. Okay. Thanks, Mama. So go for snapshot. So I will be deleting all the snapshots. Action, delete the snapshot. So I have deleted all the snapshots, but still my snapshots are in my recycle. All the snapshots are there in my recycle. So we will see this tomorrow also. So currently what I will do is from here, if you want to recover any of the snapshot, from here you cannot delete it. It will be get deleted by automatically, or you want to change the rules. Edit retention rule. I will create action, edit rule settings. Yesterday I have kept for 2 days. I will not make it as 1 day. So go for the resources. Refresh. After some time this will be get deleted. Okay. Alright, so let us do like, so go for snapshots, EC2 instance. Is there anything more I need to do? I need to delete the volumes also, right? I have multiple volumes here. 10 GB and 5 GB. So first detach then select this volume. And next is nothing but I need to clear my EC2 instance. So all my resources are clear now, are been cleared. Yes, Mohammed? No, no, no. We have a script for that, but everything you need to mention it. So running a script right now will be little bit tricky for you all. So that's the reason I'm not showing it. Yeah, but most probably like that is not required in production environment or live environment. In a live environment, we are not deleting it. So in a live environment, what we are doing is like we are deleting only the snapshot. Then we use a script for only for snapshot. Not like that. Like we will be deleting the EC2 instance. We will be deleting the snapshot. So all these things will not contain in a one script. So each and every service have a different script. Yeah. So now you all join. You all join to the same link. I am stopping my presentation now. Let's do some lab session, practical session. Google Meet link. Yesterday we have shared one Google Meet link. So join on the same Google Meet link so that we will do the practical session. Okay. Alimuddin sir, just allow everyone on this Google Meet link, na?
Yeah, give me a few minutes, okay?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, who is going to demonstrate today's session? Firasat, Naseem, Nasir, Muzakkir, Sayyid. Who is going to demonstrate? Yeah, good Firasat. Let's start. So here I request everyone to open your AWS console. Now we will do step by step. So Firasat is going to tell you step by step process. You start doing it step by step. So if you have any doubts, any queries, we will discuss in between. Okay.
That you are able to see my screen.
Yes, Firasat, we are able to see your screen. Oh, you need not to click that.
And then share.
Yes, again you will see the same screen. What you do is like you instead of selecting entire screen, you select only a browser.
Okay.
There you can see window option is there, right? You select instead of Microsoft Edge tab, there is one more option called as a window. You select window and select that window and select share. Good. Now it's visible, right? Yes. Now it's visible.
I just created this EC2 instance demo on for Linux. Let everyone know how to create the instance. So I need not to show you again.
Sir, could you be louder, please?
Yep. I have just launched this Linux instance. I believe everyone know that line how to create a EC2 instance, right?
Yes. Hopefully everyone knows creation of EC2 instance. So I am correct, right? So everyone knows to create. I think Nasir want to know it. Okay. Nasir, just see one your previous session, recorded session.
Yes, sir. I will go through those and I will, inshallah,
Yeah,
come up with.
let get back to
Yeah.
me if you have any questions so that
Yeah,
we can
sure.
discuss. Okay?
Sure. Thank you, sir.
I'm trying to access that website. I need to copy the data. Where is it?
Not Arjun. What is an IP?
No,
Rasat?
this is a public, but I forgot to add the data and that.
Yeah, acha, okay, you forgot to add the data. You select the EC2 instance, go to instance, go for actions, instance settings, here you need the immediate template. You have option here only, right? Just little bit go down, edit user data. So, but you need to stop the instance first.
So instance is stop or can edit. brother, if you explain while doing this, it will be good for us to learn. Yeah. See, the instance is initialized in state. It will have a 3 by 3 check. After that, I can start my instance. Installing initializing state. And then I will delete all my snapshots.
If you create a, yeah, you are deleting, okay. Delete the snapshots which you have taken previously.
Okay. Now see this public IP here, and I will check whether they are able to access the website now.
Brother Firasat, if you could let us know your current scenario and the action you want to perform it so that we can grab it, we can follow each step.
Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, Firasat, you have updated what Firasat was doing is he has just launched his EC2 instance and he updated his user data and he's trying to access the site which with the user data. Right, Firasat?
Right.
Okay. So just give me the public IP. It's 13 dot
53.131.70.
13 dot
53.131.70. Yeah, I'm not getting the website access. Let me check the
Okay.
protocols.
So you are not getting the site. So check whether your HTTP port is enabled or not. setting aside, just go to the security option. Go for security. Just come down. Select security group. Yeah, your HTTP port is already enabled. It's 80 port number. Its 80 port number is already enabled. Okay, connect to your EC2 instance. Connect to the EC2 instance. Yeah, click on connect. If your instance is launched, I will be pasting you two commands. Just run this command. Yeah, you run one by one. Yum update -y.
Okay.
Sir, in your case, it was directly displaying over here. Why we additionally need to write the command on the screen?
Okay, you enter the yum install command.
Yes, sir.
Only install yum install -y. Okay, Firasat, just create new EC2 instance now. We will troubleshoot later. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, instance is taking time now, so I just want to ask one question, sir, so that everybody get out to know better.
Yes, Mohammed.
Yeah, actually, we are into Amazon console. Under Amazon console, we are into EC2. Under EC2, we have created an instance, right? And then, because every action, there is a reason something is being taking place in the background. So
Yes.
actually we should also grab that. Not like that whatever you taught and we take it for practice as that. There should
Yes,
be a
yes.
question for that. There should be a question for that. Why the action is being taking place. Now over here under instance we are connecting that instance on a connect button. What is actually happening in the background? We should get to know it.
Yes.
Why we need to connect it and what is happening in the background?
Yes. So, good question, Mohammed. So, connect means is nothing but accessing your server. So, how you are going to access your server? So, if you see, once you click on connect, there are multiple ways to access your server. One is you can access your server in your browser, or you can access your server with your third party tool, and you can also access your server with serial console. There are multiple ways to access your server. So the option once we click on connect, so what connect will do? Connect will give us the interface or a platform where we can able to establish a communication between our local PC to our the server, to the server, to the computer which is hosted on our AWS platform. So it establishes a communication, a link connectivity between both of them. So that connectivity have different options. Maybe that he will directly connect by using a public IP, using a browser, or it will also ask us to whether if you are going to go, like you can go and connect to an RDP. What we have done for Windows, we need to download the RDP file. That file contains the information of the source and the destination. So what is the destination he want to reach? So that the destination is nothing but your public IP address. So once you click on connect, and after that the next further step is authentication. So here once we click on connect, the AWS is establishing a platform for the connectivity. Then you are providing an authentication to authorize yourself. So once you have authorized, then it establishes your secure connectivity to your server. Got it?
Right, sir. Right. Actually, we may have many instances in our EC2. So just keeping instance is nothing. I mean, it's for your self purpose. But if you want to make it others to access it, we need to connect it. When we get connected, it is through internet, right? So there the internet comes into the picture, which is connecting your servers, which is connecting your server through the internet, and you're getting the IP address or whatever the means you have tool of communicating it. So you are accessing from wherever the point you are available to that instance, right? Instance is available to access now. When you connect, it means that instance is available to access.
Yes.
Is that right, sir?
Yes, is that right? So accessing an instance, they have multiple ways, like whether you can use a browser or internet, or you can use a third party tool like RDP protocol, or you can download the RDP file, and from there also you can access your internet EC2 instance. And they have a serial connectivity, like you can connect directly cable connectivity from your machine to serial. That's different concept. So that also one option by connecting your EC2 instance. And there are another ways, like there are third party tools also installed. So that third party tools also used in establishing a connectivity between your from your local PC to your internet server. Okay.
Right, sir.
Okay, right. Everybody can see that I connected to the web server here, right?
Yes, Sir. Yeah, from here you continue it. You whatever you are doing it, just explain us. So we will be also having an idea. So I request all of them also to do it parallelly. Okay.
Now, what I need to create is I need to create the snapshot of this machine. Demo underscore Linux 1 EC2. This is the EC2 machine. The region is PU North 1B. That you can see, right? I am creating a snapshot. Currently, I don't have any snapshot. Just create the snapshot. I'm selecting instance here. This is my instance demo underscore Linux 1. Now, to create the snapshot. Create a snapshot. View progress. Okay, snapshot completed. I am copying this snapshot.
Gracias, instead of copying the snapshot, you create the AMI image here itself in this region only. Then we will copy the AMI image.
Okay.
No, in that snapshot, click on snapshot and go for action. There you say create image. Go for snapshots. You will have the, yeah, downside you have a futures. Under futures you can see that.
Okay, create image from this snapshot.
Yeah, create an image from the snapshot.
I'm using name in my image Linux.
mi no underscore underscore will not work. My minus Linux AMI.
Okay.
Give the description. AMI image. Yeah.
Nothing need to be changed. No, right? Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. And AMI.
Right.
Right? It's an
Right,
available.
right.
So click on AMI. Go for actions. Copy AMI. Copy AMI. Right.
Right.
Now copy to other region.
This specific Singapore region I'm copying. Here on the top, you can go to specific Singapore region. You can see the image here, right? This is the image. We just copy it from our another region. And you can create the EC2 instance from this image as well. Let me show you. There are no instances currently in this region. Now just
क्या बोले मेरे को जरा
here I am selecting image, custom image which I created just now. Browse more AMIs and my AMIs. Select.
It's loading, it's loading. It will take time somewhere. You click on select. You got. Just come down. Select the key pair. So there is no key pair. You select one new key pair.
दूध
follow HTTP, and then you don't need to give user data since we have already copied that image from the same state.
You don't have to give any user data or anything, it will directly come.
Saurabh, you can see this here.
Yeah, it's showing as pending. See, it has been completely copied or it's still in a copy stage. But because you have copied the EMI image, right?
Just complete.
In a pending state, it should be get completed.
Okay.
Once it get completed, then only you can create the new EC2 instance.
Let's start taking time.
Yeah, now it's available, now you can do it.
Loading. The key pair created earlier. Allow HTTP. Once installed.
Whether the can show the availability zone which is taking place now.
Sure. here. AP Southeast 1C.
Do we selected that or we selected this?
We selected because we want to copy the AMI to another availability zone, right?
Can you show us like the EC2 instance, the instance which is in from which we have created an AMI is in which region? Firasat? No, this is a new AMI which is getting configured. Like yeah, here you can see here this AMI is in one AMI is in Europe region and another AMI is Asia Pacific region, right? Firasat?
Right. This was in Europe region in which we created a AMI and then we copied that AMI into Asia Pacific region. From there we created another.
So one is in Singapore and one is in Europe.
Right.
So the browser like 51 dot it's using for Europe public IP. For if this when after this instance get ready, we will see that this IP also.
Sir, we have selected Singapore, right? It is so Singapore is by default accepted as AP Southeast node, right?
Yeah, it's an Asia Pacific, right?
No, while selecting the zone, Brother Firasat has selected Singapore.
Yes.
So why it is showing AP Southeast here?
See, this is on the top. If you see Asia Pacific, Singapore is there, right? This is the
Asia
region.
Pacific
Is the region
is
name.
nothing but AP Southeast only. Yeah, Firasat, can you click on Asia Pacific, Singapore, on top? Yeah.
It seems by default it has only one C, AP Southeast 1C.
Yeah, that's what. So
Here
it's
is-
nothing but AP Southeast 1.
Yes, that was actually my doubt, right? It is clear.
Yeah. So it has been selected from availability zone only.
I am trying to access the website. Web server.
It's not getting access, Firasat. You need to troubleshoot it.
Sure.
See now, can you able to see the site? Push it again.
Can you check from your end? Correct?
Yeah, just a minute. What is an IP? It's 18.
140, 120.
Yeah, you can try now. I am able to connect. You remove HTTPS. There is an HTTPS. Click on that. Yeah, remove HTTPS.
Yeah. I'm connected.
Yeah, you are connecting now. So successfully you are connecting to Europe server and you are also connecting to Singapore server.
Right.
So that's what we were showing it today.
Can carry on.
Yeah.
My screen share.
Yeah. So is it everyone is clear, right? So we will end up the session here, and tomorrow we will be starting with our security concepts. So tomorrow we will be discussing about AM identity and access management, where we will create a multiple users, and we will try to log in with IMA users, and we will also create some policies and roles and policies, and we will assign some rules and policies to individual users, and we will demonstrate that everything. So tomorrow we will be discussing about incident access management, and after that we will be going for S3 policies and Lambda services. Okay. So I want to go you in a step by step. So why? Because Lambda is all these are interlinked, related. So that's the reason I am going step by step. So it will be easy for you to understand. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, still I am unable to create that account, sir. And I am facing difficulty, though I am understanding what you are explaining and what you are presenting. But,
Yeah.
but personally I am unable to launch that EC2 instances and whatever other things we are learning that you are demonstrating, sir. So unless I get that account created, so it is not possible for me to practice further, sir. Though I am listening, I am understanding everything, I am getting it. So I
Yes.
need your help, sir. And tonight.
Yes, yesterday we tried, Sayed, but I think it's not worked out, right?
Yeah, but today I have stopped at billing and cost management, sir. If you give me some time, I will be able to get this, sir.
Okay, fine. You stay connected, and the rest other can disconnect the call. So we will check the Sayed's issue. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow we will be having both
Sorry?
practical and tomorrow we will be having both practical and theory, right?
Yeah. Tomorrow we will having both practical and theory. Every day we will having theory and practical.
Farooq sir, I think Sara also has same problem. So try to solve any one of them.
Yeah. Sarah, you can also stay here so that we will fix both of your issues. Okay.
Okay, thank you all. Bye-bye.
Thanks all. The rest all can disconnect the call and leave the call.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. So Syed, every time the amount is getting deducted from your account, right?
Sir, amount was deducted yesterday and now I got refunded it.
Sorry?
I got refunded it, sir. Yesterday the amount 2 rupees was deducted from my account. And now again I got that amount today. So shall I share my screen, sir?
Yes, Syed. Yes, share your screen.
Yes, sir, I'm sharing, sir. Here I got stuck, sir. Here. and the here verification status pending. So previously when I got the email, so I have tried to connect it, and
Yeah, can you show me if you got any email or something like that?
okay sir, I will show it sir. Are you able to see it sir?
No, no, Sayed.
Okay, okay sir, I will share the entire.
You share the entire window.
Okay sir. Shall I stop presenting or show my screen anyway?
Sayed, I can see your screen. Just do it. Don't do anything. Just don't do anything.
Okay
Just
sir.
open your email.
Yes sir,
Yeah.
here.
Customer verification successfully completed.
Yes
Click
sir.
on that.
Yeah, it's got.
Yeah, now customer verification is completed, right?
Yes sir.
So you do one thing. You try to access the new web console login. You try to log in again. Just give me a minute.
Okay sir.
Yes, Sayed, can you share? Can you show me?
हाँ सर, यहाँ तक आ गया देखिए सर ये.
Okay.
Data could
Open
not
AWS
be
billing.
AWS.
AWS billing. EC2 click करो ना तो.
इसे क्लिक करना सर इसमें. हाँ. सर स्टेप्स कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ ना सर ये.
नहीं वो क्या कंप्लीट करके देखो.
Complete your AWS registration again ये बता रहा है. फिर यहाँ आके रुक गया. देखिए सर, there was a problem with your payment information. To continue signing to your account and update your payment information, then you can continue signing up. If this problem persists, contact AWS.
अच्छा एक काम करो, सही समझ गया मैं.
जी.
यहाँ पे क्रोम है ना, आप यू क्लोज ऑल दिस क्रोम एंड गो फॉर एच कंसोल ओपन कर लो.
अच्छा, ये पूरा क्रोम बंद कर दो सर. अपना मीटिंग में चला था.
हाँ
अपना मीटिंग में चला था.
क्या याद है?
गूगल मीट अपना जो चल रहा है,
नहीं गूगल में जान दो, उसके बाद जो दूसरे है ना,
वो
आप
close करो.
ये क्या बोलते हैं, AWS का लॉग आउट कर दो.
Sign up. हाँ सर, AWS लॉग आउट हो गया.
हाँ वो भी क्लोज कर दो.
मेरा ईमेल आईडी भी क्लोज कर दो.
नहीं ईमेल आईडी क्या भैया?
ये देखिए व्हाट्सएप ऐसे क्लोज कर दिया सर. बिलिंग है, ये भी क्लोज कर दिया. अभी दो ही ब्राउज़र है मेरे पास. अपना नीट का एक है और मेरा इंटरनेट उसका ईमेल का है.
अभी क्या करो आप, ये क्रोम ओपन करें, क्रोम कर देंगे, एज ओपन करो.
एज. हाँ सर, एज ओपन कर दिया. इसमें स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है सर.
स्क्रीन दिख रहा है मेरे को आपका?
इसका क्या करना था यहाँ पर? ये
वहाँ पे नहीं वहाँ पे सर्च में आप मारो ना, क्या बोलते हैं उधर सर्च जाओ.
हाँ सर्च
हाँ वहाँ जो है ना AWS लॉगिन बोल के मारो.
साइन इन को कंट्रोल करना है सर.
हाँ You are entering wrong password.
Password. पासवर्ड भी यही है दर उसका।
रिफ्रेशमेंट कोड आपकी ईमेल को आता देखो।
अच्छा देखो। वही स्क्रीन आया ना सर, सबसे पहले जो आया था क्रोम में, वहीं पर आया था। फिर इसी को ओपन करोगे फिर?
हाँ करो बेटा।
फिर वही बता रहा कंप्लीट योर AWS रजिस्ट्रेशन। ये कंप्लीट करोगे सर तरफ से देख लो। क्या होगा तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या है।
आपके पास कोई दूसरा मोबाइल नंबर है?
सर दूसरा है मोबाइल।
तो दूसरा ईमेल आईडी कुछ बना के दूसरे न्यू ईमेल आईडी से पूरे आपका लैपटॉप रिस्टार्ट करो, रिस्टार्ट करके न्यू ईमेल आईडी से क्रिएट करो।
अच्छा सर,
ओके
जैसा हो सकता है सर।
हाँ दूसरा आप ये अकाउंट छोड़ डालो, एक नया ईमेल आईडी बनाओ और न्यू मोबाइल नंबर डालो। ओके न्यू ईमेल आईडी न्यू मोबाइल नंबर
अच्छा सर।
इससे करके देखो।